everyone. Uh, I am Taesik, an associate researcher as I presented, and I am in charge of the international cooperation project at Future Quantum Convergence Institute, shortly QCI. So I represent the Future Quantum Convergence Forum today, FQCF, which is the industry-driven platform managed by QCI, dedicated to fostering and expanding the quantum industry in Korea. And actually today, we joined this Q2B conference with the member company called Norma. So Norma is a quantum computing manufacturing company in Korea, and it develops algorithm for bio and new materials and space. So feel free to drop by our booth. It's the right-hand side corner at the booth area. So today I will provide an overview of Korea quantum ecosystem and introduce you to the initiative and activities of FQCF. So before I start, bear in mind that I removed all the sub-chapters from my slide due to the page limit. So, but I will cover all this 5 contents through my presentations. So as presented, I will go through, I will give you a big snapshot of the Korean ecosystems, and then I continue to provide on Korean quantum industry policies. And then after that, I will introduce more about FQCF. So this is the map illustrated the geographical distribution of Korea's quantum industry, providing a comprehensive snapshot of the landscape. So it highlights the location of industry players, academic institutions, and research centers from our members. So as depicted, the majority are concentrated in the Seoul capital city, as well as the Gyeonggi province and Daejeon metropolitan area. So as you may notice, most of research institutions are located in the Daejeon metropolitan area. It is because of the public institution relocation policy in Korea, but still you can find more industry within the Seoul and Gyeonggi province. So these are the major players from geographic perspective in Korea. And let's move on to the policy side. So firstly, the government has articulated 2 major strategies for the quantum specific field. So the first is National Quantum Strategy, and the second is the Quantum Initiative. So firstly, the policy objective of the National Quantum Strategy, it is published by Minister of Science and ICT in 2023, last year, and it aims to position Korea as a global leader in the quantum technology. This demonstrates the government's ambitious vision for our future, and the objectives as presented left-hand side. First, to develop and utilize quantum computers with Korean-owned technologies, and second, become a leader in the quantum internet, and third, to achieve a global market leadership with world-class quantum sensors. And it also includes the investment plan. So it's presented in the right-hand side at the bottom. The government is investing over 3 trillion Korean won in the quantum-specific industry. It is amounting approximately 2.2 billion US dollars money. Through this strategy and investment, the government expects a significant advancement in these key indicators by 2035. So, for instance, the government's highest priority is the securing a quantum expert. So, in this slide, there are 2 key workforce and the quantum workforce, key workforce and the quantum workforce up there, and then the current status. There is a current status, and then there is a target numbers by 2035 to be achieved. So the figure of key workforce is cultivated through a government support program for quantum workforce development, including quantum graduate schools and overseas assignment and training, etc. Whereas the quantum workforce includes all the personnel from the industry. And from these indicators, for the seventh part, international cooperation and investment is also very essential part for this quantum field. So currently, 13 billion Korean won is the target, but the government will increase this number to the 210 billion Korean won by 2035. And secondly, there is a quantum initiative. This is the latest strategy published by Minister of Science and ICT. And this initiative outlined 9 major technologies in the quantum field and the 4 major strategies as presented. So for the quantum core tech, there are quantum processors and algorithm software, network and sensing. For quantum engineering, there are MPEs like materials and part and equipment companies. So MPE and device and process and digital quantum hybrid. And for quantum utility and service, it aims to working on the quantum killer applications like defense, security, and etc., and quantum AI. And additionally, there is a quantum technology industry law, which will be implemented on November this year. So it is expected that these legislations will support the national quantum strategy activations. So the major point is the following. So establishment of comprehensive promotion system and quantum strategy committee, and also the research center designation of research center and nurturing the ecosystems, as well as supporting and the international corporations. So from here, we'll talk about FQCF. So the FQCF is the pivotal platform revitalizing the quantum research and industrial ecosystem through active exchange and the cooperations in the quantum field. With this vision, we serve as a quantum technology hub, facilitating communications among institutions and promoting industrial growth. So our efforts are supported by 5 key stakeholders, bottom there, of industry, academia, research institutions, government, and end users. So FQCF initially launched with 64 institutions and 162 members. Today, we have expanded to 173 members in April 2024, and we have more than 700 members. So this is the organization structures. So the structure comprised the General Assembly and the steering committee at the top, which includes the representative from both academia and the industry. And the QCI, where I work for, is located in the secretariat, and we are in charge of all the project of FQCF. And underneath, there are industry and utilizations and academic and human research and standardization committee. And currently, standardization committee is working specifically for quantum cryptography topics. And the industrial utilization committee, they're focusing on identifying quantum ICT-related commercializations model and building an industrial ecosystem through testbed and pilot project. So this committee is responsible for developing and executing joint research projects and coordinating both domestic and international private sector corporations. And the Academic Human Resource Committee is dedicated to the education and exchange of human resource, both domestically and internationally. And it provides opportunities and information tailored to each specific quantum technologies. So let's highlight some of FQCF major activities. One of our key initiatives is the publication of Quantum Information Technology White Paper, which has a significant impact on the quantum industry in Korea. So this comprehensive white paper is supported by more than 75 experts from various fields, and it is more than 100 pages of work, and we are coordinating with whole project. So in terms of the main content, there's R&D and technologies and MPE trends, as well as investment, etc. So if you are interested in the information of a white paper, feel free to let me know after the sessions. And then secondly, we regularly host open seminars and provide our members with the latest information on domestic and international quantum trends. We also collaborate with the international quantum councils and associations. As you can see, we are contacting many partners, and we are eager to engage with other countries to meet here at Q2B Tokyo conference, as well as international partners. So if you are interested in the Korean quantum ecosystem, please feel free to contact me after this session. Lastly, I want to introduce our ambitious project, the Quantum Industrial Standard Organizations, known as QUINSA. We are planning the launching ceremony and a global conference on August 13th. So this is the first industry-driven platform for standards in quantum technologies. So these are very brief snapshots of the organizations. So please take a look at it, and if you need more information about this, and also contact me afterwards. So this concludes my presentations. So I hope this presentation have provided a comprehensive overview of Korean quantum ecosystem and deepen your understanding of FQCF. Thanks for your attention.